Hi everyone, this is Naveen. So today I'm going to explain about how to perform linear regression model using R. So here is the dataset given by Spark Foundation on the data science task. You can find the student study hours here and the student scores here. And let me open R Studio. So here you can find the title predicting the percentage of a student based on study hours. I'll be using a simple linear regression model here. And coming to the next part, I have read the built-in packages, library reader and library wire, and I have imported the data set and stored it in a variable student data. You can see the output here. So here you can find 5 rows, top 5 rows of the data set here, and I have also loaded the ggplot2 package which is used for plotting the graph, and you can see you can see that the independent variable on the x-axis is R, and dependent variable on the y-axis, that is scores. And you can find the linearity between the scores and R's of the graph. Here you can find it. Okay, how linear it is. And here I have found out the coefficients using the linear function model, that's in R. I have used ln function and I have stored the data here. You can see the summary. So these are the residuals, and then mainly you can find out the estimated standard deviation here. So this is the intercept and this is the slope, and also you can find the p-value here. Sorry, here. Okay, and here you can find the coefficient of study, the coefficient of this data, this variable where I've stored it. Sorry, it's okay. You can find the coefficients here, and also I have predicted the values using the observed values. So these are the observed values and these are the predicted values. But I get this output is from this code that I've used fitted, and then I found out these predictions, and you can also see where they have asked me to predict score if a student studies for 9.25 hours and using my coefficient, using which I've found coefficients from the data, and I've multiplied it into the slope. I can find the solution here, 92.90, that is nothing but 93. And you can also see that I have created another column, that is status, which says that a student has passed or failed. So depending upon the criteria which I have set, if a student scores below 35, then he falls into this category fail, and if a student scores more than 35, then then he falls into this category pass. And then the distinction where if he scores above above 85, so here you can see the distinction because he has scored above 85 and so on. And also I've used confident function where it shows that there is 97.5 probability that the true unknown value of the coefficient will fall within the specified range. And here you can find the intercept value, that is the range between -2 to 7.72, The R range is 8.8 to 10.7. So what it says that the range of intercept, that is the score if a student studies for 0 hours, so then he will be able to get this value in this course. And what does the slope says is that as a student, as the average of R increases by 1 hour, that means if a student studies 1 hour and increases on a basis of 1 hour, that means there will be an increase in score between 8.83 to 10.71. Conclusion, we can see that we have found a 97.5 probability, and then hence I have used linear regression model because we can see that there were only two variables, and then I have successfully found out the score of the student who was studying for 9.2 hours. Thank you.